this is Mrs. Verona, another mini lesson on significant figures for math operation. And so the very first one we'll look at is add and subtract. So you're gonna look, same number of decimal places as the number with the least precision. So if I look at this one right here, I'm gonna notice that this one goes to the nearest tenths, this one goes to the nearest thousands, and this one goes all the way over there. So the one that's the least precise is gonna be this guy right here. But what you want to do is you want to add them all down, and then you're going to apply your rounding rules once you have your final answer. So I have 5, 4, 3, 0, 9, 4, 8, 9. There we go. So here's my answer, 20.9490345. But I know that this is going to be the location of my least precise measurement. So I'm going to come to this 4 right here, and that's going to make the decision whether to round up or leave alone. So as it's less than 5, I need to leave it alone. So my final answer would be 20.9. And all those are just extra digits. Number of sig figs in the result is the same as the least precise number. So when I look at this one, 8.2 has 2 significant figures. This one, 15.95, has 4. I look at the next one, 12.3114 has 6 significant figures, and the 6.1 has 2 sig figs. So my final answer is going to have 2 digits. So I'm going to go ahead and get my numbers and put into my calculator. 8.2 times 15.95 times 12.3114 divided by 6.1. And my final answer is 263.968526. Now I did say that my answer should only have 2 digits. So I'm going to look at here. I'm going to use this 3 to base on my rounding. So when I come here, this is going to be 260 because that 3 is less than 5. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it alone. Now be very, very careful because sometimes when you're kind of thinking, you might have this little stray mark. And if it's one of those questions that we're concerned for significant figures, you're not going to get credit for it. So be careful. If you want to make it a point so the grader knows that you're saying that you only have 2 significant figures, I would highly recommend it that you convert into scientific notation. So right here, I would move my decimal 1, 2 spots. So now I can go ahead and put 2.6 times 10 to the second, and there is my final answer. This way there's no confusion. The grader knows that you plan to have only 2 significant figures and that 0 was a placeholder. Hopefully that cleared up any questions. Once again, if you all have any questions, please send me a message through Remind or Schoology. Bye guys.